In today's video, I will tell you how to make small living room more spacious. Tip number 1. Use light colors. It's not just about white. You can use any off-white, beige, grey or pastel colors. Just keep it light and don't be scared to use more than one color, but keep those colors nice and muted. Tip number 2. Use multifunctional furniture. Sofa with the storage, some tables which you can make from smaller to higher, etc, etc. There are many options to use, so just do your research and take it from there. Tip number 3. Again about furniture. Use furniture which is small. Basically keep the scale according to your room. So small room, small furniture. Use lightweight table, like a coffee table for example, smaller round one. Use smaller sofa. Don't overcrowd the room. Tip number 4. Always try to use wall as great storage space. So shelves or the hanging cupboards. It works two ways. One, it will make the room taller, make the feeling taller, but as well you will keep the floor of the furniture, so there will be more floor space, which is one of the another tips. Tip number 5. Add mirrors. You can use even the whole wall mirror, or you can use several small ones, but use mirrors. Basically it will always make the room feel bigger, and as well if it can reflect the nature from outside, it will feel much better for you. Tip number 6. Keep the room clutter-free. Not just the room, keep your life clutter-free. Less things you have, more spacious your room will feel. Tip number 7. Choose furniture with thin legs. This will help you because you can see like kind of through the furniture. Everything will feel more lightweight. Even the sofas on the legs, with the thin legs, it will help feel more spacious. Tip number 8. Keep the floor visible. As much as you can see of the floor space, better. If you are able to keep floor furniture free, all work together like thin legs, furniture on the wall, you will see more floor space, and that will help you to actually feel that the room is much bigger than you think it is, and it actually is in reality. Tip number 9. Avoid bigger patterns. Basically, try to keep either solid colors or small patterns. Again, like it's similar with the furniture, like keep it the scale like the room. Small patterns. Don't go for bold big patterns because it might start feeling overcrowded and you will feel overwhelmed. Tip number 10. Add vertical lines. It can be on the wall like a wallpaper or paint. It can be on furniture. It can be on the curtains. Basically this will attract your eye instead of how small the room is, so it will help you feeling that the room is actually bigger than it is. Use glass or transparent furniture. So either small glass coffee tables or transparent acrylic chairs. It will help you because you can see through the furniture, so it wouldn't actually feel that they are taking any space because you can see through and the light is going through that furniture. You will feel that the room is much bigger than you think. Hope these tips helps, and I'll see you at the next video.